With Nikuni DAF, dissolved air flotation innovation, microbubbles are used to allow efficient dissolved air flotation. The core of the system is the gas-liquid-filled mixer called the microbubble generator. The air is dissolved into the process liquid. The key advantage of the KTM series DAF pump is that the gas is automatically drawn in, mixed with the liquid, and the solution is fed under high pressure to your process. With conventional centrifugal pumps, when the gas is introduced into the suction fluid stream, air pockets form, making it impossible for them to go into solution. The Nikuni KTM microbubble generator uses a turbine mixing impeller to dissolve the air that has been drawn into the suction port and then feeds the solution continuously under high pressure to your process. Additional advantages of the KTM DAF pump include a simple and robust design and easy operation. Typical pressurized DAF systems require a large centrifugal pump and a pressurized dissolution tank, along with a noisy air compressor and static mixer. This arrangement uses a large amount of power and makes it difficult to maintain liquid level control in the pressurized dissolution tank. A typical installation of the Nikuni KTM DAF pump integrates the micro-bubble generator into your piping system. Air is then drawn into the pump through an inlet nozzle and controlled with a flow meter. To operate the microbubble generator, first adjust the valve on the discharge side of the pump to the required pressure, then lightly close the valve on the suction side of the pump, creating a negative pressure state. Finally, open the valve of the airflow meter to allow the prescribed amount of air to flow in. Once the KTM DAF pump is operating, you can stop and restart it by simply turning the pump switch off and then on. There is no need for fine adjustment each time you turn the pump on and off. Attaching an excess air separation device to the piping on the discharge side of the KTM microbubble generator allows the system to supply high-quality microbubbles with stable diameter-sized bubbles. The Nikuni KTM unit features a compact pressure water pump and eliminates the need for an air compressor, inline mixer, and dissolution tank. Facilities that have adapted it as a replacement for conventional systems have been able to save energy. The Nikuni KTM DAF pump provides a remarkable performance in terms of water quality, using measures such as BOD, COD, suspended solids, and normal hex levels. Thanks to its simple design, the Nikuni KTM DAF pump improves the performance of dissolved air systems by providing high-density microbubbles. Easy to operate, the quiet Nikuni KTM DAF pumps provide stable microbubble water soon after the system is started. The long-lasting and reliable Nikuni DAF pump minimizes maintenance costs, leading to a substantial cut in equipment life cycle cost. A clear advantage of Nikuni's micro-nano bubble technology is a very small bubble diameter. Air bubbles produced by our system have an average diameter of 5 microns. Compared to bubbles that are produced by conventional systems as big as several millimeters in diameter, there is an enormous number of micro-nano bubbles in each cubic millimeter. This creates a greater interface area and overall volume of bubbles. Compared to other methods, the micro-nano bubbles remain dissolved in water for a long period. Thus, they readily adhere to suspended matter, providing the best flotation separation performance. Micro-nano bubbles generated in water appear like white smoke, as shown here. Compared with the air bubbles generated by conventional pressurized dissolution methods, Nikuni micro-nano bubbles form a high-density cloud of fine air bubbles. Nikuni micro-nano bubbles have a mean diameter of approximately 5 microns with little deviation. The tiny micro-nano bubbles adhere to fine, suspended matter in the water and bring them to the surface, allowing for improved cleaning performance. The Nikuni KTM DAF is currently in use in several industries. Let's look at a few examples. Our system is used to clarify water discharge from food processing facilities, including fishery processing plants, dairy, and livestock raising facilities. Additional applications include the removal of impurities from recycled water and discharge water from industrial manufacturing facilities, including semiconductor and automotive plants. It is also used to clarify water from facilities such as paper mills and pharmaceutical factories. In a wide range of applications, the Nikuni DAF pump is making high-performance flotation separation possible with energy savings and low cost.